Alright, more fun and games on Dodge Monaco. First task at hand today, gonna get all our belts in position where they go, get that all done, install our fan and our fan clutch, set the shroud over, we're gonna set the radiator in place where we will put our transcooler lines on, but we will be waiting patiently to do our hoses. We have the correct OE style clamps coming, and that'll get done. We also have correct plug wires on the way. So productive moving forward. First order of business when you do your belts, gotta do your 2 alternator / compressor belts first. Then you do your power steering belt, and then your water pump belt is last. All our belts are on and tensioned, looking good. Remember, first, second, third. All right, next stop, fan clutch, fan shroud, and radiator going in. First order of business, always check diameter here on the shaft, and a lot of the clutches come with this little sleeve. On this one we're actually going to need it, so we just set that on there, and we have our new clutch bolted to our fan all ready to go. I'll put one bolt back in the bottom here. This collar in the chingat area. And away we go, gentlemen. Fan clutch, belts, styling, baby. Fan shroud laying over the fan, ready to mount our radiator. Look at how beautiful this radiator fits. We still got to tighten it up. Get the shroud. It's perfection. Bob's radiator knocked it out of the park. Awesome. Radiator's mounted. Shroud's mounted. All the goodies. Kent's a happy camper. Expansion valve, next step. Brand new expansion valve. Check. AC line. Check.